Hey everyone, how's it going? Sorry I'm a little bit late today. I had lots to do today and early morning I had a one-on-one session with Delphine, so I just been really busy. I wasn't able to update at the usual time. So for today's video I'm going to basically there's not much to follow up on my trade. My trade's the same. Basically I shorted and I hedged the short P&L with a long, and right now I'm waiting to see where the market takes us, so there's not much to update there. So we'll just move on to the analysis, and I'll start from the 3-day down to the 2-day, down to the daily, down to the 12-hour, 4-hour, and maybe the hourly. So starting from the 3-day, we can see that it has a pretty good posture. This, if it closes here, well, it will close at, simultaneously with the weekly. So if it closes here or above, it's looking good. The oscillator, the Stoke oscillator signal is still basically strengthening here. It's kind of confirming the bottom for us here. We can look at the 3-day, the same things we've been looking at the last couple of days. This is showing that the momentum is wearing off. Volatility is not telling me too much right now. This one as well, basically same with the momentum on the MACD. It's actually showing that it's wearing off, so there's some confluence there. This chart, my RSI oscillator chart, I changed it up a bit. So right now I have RSI with divergences here and RTSI over here. I took off the Stokes because I already have Stokes here on this chart. This is basically my Stoke chart, so I kind of cleaned it up a little bit here. Basically not saying too much over here. We can look on this. This is looking more like a bottom on the TSI, which is good. And as we mentioned before, this area was our COVID bottom. This area was basically 2019, right before our last fake out, the lower bottom before our last fake out, leading into COVID dump, and then the same area on the TSI getting the other bottom, and right now we are in the same area. So that basically is in line with what the other ones are saying, as we mentioned before. So yeah, that basically yeah, so that's starting to form a bottoming shape, and down to the 2-day now. Yeah, so the 2-day is showing some strength too. It's still kind of sideways on the oscillator, but I'm liking this. I like this massive wick at the bottom of this candle is showing strength. It's showing a lot of buys down here. Down to, we'll just look at the 2-day on this chart as well, on the volatility and the momentum. So we can see this momentum is increasing to the upside. Volatility not telling me much. This one as well increasing, the lower sideways increasing, and here that's already played out, and here I would say that's already played out too. Yeah, so these divergences are all already played out. Yeah, not telling me too much. I believe the 2-day would be, yeah, so this is actually showing more of a bottoming formation and turning up as well, so that's good in confluence with everything else. And obviously the 2-day would show it sooner than the 3-day. Down to the daily. Yeah, a little sideways because of these rejections, so still fine. Yeah, not really concerning. And it's obviously the weekend. We have a lot of scammy price action during the weekend, as we all know, so I wouldn't put too much weight on that. And I would put more weight on the 3 day because it's closing on Sunday, and right when it closes, basically, CME is already open at that time. Asia market's already open, so I would put weight on that. But this daily close we just had, not so much. It's more like just a liquidity grab to me. Um, yeah. So daily on this chart, volatility is bottoming. Yeah, I like this that it's finally curving a little bit because we were seeing it go down straight and it curved a little bit. Now it's kind of trying to do the bottoming formation. It hasn't yet, and volatility can just stay down here and go sideways. So we need the curve and we need it to turn up. So that's when I would basically start saying that, okay, this is fully confirmed and it's legit, and this was the bottom. Like right now, it's showing a lot of potential that this is the midterm bottom. Obviously not macro stuff, not something that's gonna break out and go to the moon and all that. It's basically just a midterm bottom that has potential, but how much potential, we'll find out. um so the daily on this chart, yeah, I would say these three drives of bearish divergence have played out. Like that's basically what we've already gotten. So yeah, all these are played out. TSI I believe should be showing, yeah, showing the bottom, showing a little bit of a little bit of a stepping formation building up. So we'll just have to have it keep going this way rather than turning this way. So it's still good. It's still good. Um, Now down to 12-hour. Yeah, sideways. Not really saying much. I imagined after the price action we had, obviously the 12-hour and daily are gonna be a bit beat up. So look at the 12-hour on this on the volatility section as well. Bottoming, bottoming. It rejected the EMA on this one, kind of curving back up. So we'll have to see what it does. And obviously the price action is beating it up. So, but we do see momentum. Momentum to the downside is wearing off. Momentum to the downside is wearing off here as well. You can see it's wearing off, turning a light color red. This one bottomed, so this is at zero read currently. Um, so yeah, they are still all in confluence with each other, suggesting that the bottom is forming. Obviously, it can drop the floor at any point, but this is showing some accumulation, at the very least. 12-hour on this chart. Yeah, not saying much, and I don't think we're gonna see anything special on here. Yeah, sideways, building it sideways. Let's quickly look at the 4-hour. I want to see if I can keep this under 10 minutes. Yeah, I honestly, because it's the weekend, I wouldn't put too much weight on anything below the 2 day. It's just weekend liquidity grab. A little bit down angled on the 4-hour, which is like super short time frame. It's the lowest time frame I would look at for any analysis. Bottoming on this. Bottoming on this. A little bit down angled on this, and oh, chart's frozen again. Sorry guys, one sec. Too many tabs open here. Too many exchanges. Too much price action and too many charts going. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that was the 4, and on to the 12. Okay, now it's really lagging. Oh, come on, sir. Yeah, this is not gonna let me keep it under 10 minutes now. Sir. Seriously? Okay, there we go. Yeah, not telling me much. Same thing as the other chart. So basically that's it for today's video. I'll try to keep it the same time for the next few days, unless I'm like super busy, or I have a one-on-one session at an early time again. But I'll make sure these videos are out every single day. Like if I'm late, I'll still make sure it's out every single day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. In tomorrow's video. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care and see you next time. Bye.